Right, if you have been watching the channel, you would have known that I made a video up here the other day about potentially making a new YouTube space. Now, I've come to kind of fruition with this idea, and I've decided to order a load of things to hopefully make my YouTube space. Here is a list of the things that I've ordered. Fully desk, Samsung 43-inch ultra widescreen monitor, moving arm, a new chair. I was using my ex's old chair and like just no lumbar support whatsoever. So this is the setup video, and I'm probably gonna regret doing it at like 8:30 at night. Damn, I've lost a screw. Oh no. That took a lot longer than I actually anticipated. Everything in the mess, I got cold. It's about 10:30 now. I think I'm gonna set up the computer, not the stand, not the arm though, and then go to bed. Maybe revisit it in the morning. Last night, I basically, couldn't really do it. I'm not one for late nights, and I really struggled, so I went to sleep. Still got loads of boxes, still got a ton of stuff out here. I've just found a way that I can have my screen, so I can see myself, and I can have Notion, and I can have my notes and everything there, which is perfect. I didn't know I could do this, and still need to do some stuff. The desk is gonna have to go here. My old desk was just over there. I wanna show you this actually. So this is the screen. This is what my camera can see. And then, I need to set it all up. But super duper happy with how it's looking, super duper happy with how the desk is. I put the screws in the wrong place. Damn. I've lost a screw. We won't tell anyone about that. But let's do a little bit more B-roll of me making it. Cue to B-roll. This is the end of the video. I'm going to end it now. I am nowhere near finished whatsoever. I've got loads of stuff to do. Taking the bookshelf down, I'm going to sell that. I'm going to try and get some books up here. And maybe paint the door a different colour, because I quite like that dark wood there. But we'll see. This is the end of the video. This is just like a little process journey. This is nothing, it's not trying to tell you anything. I'm not trying to get you to do anything. This is just me documenting the process. Thank you so much for watching. If you got to this part of the video, I want to say thank you. I appreciate you. Have a great day. Goodbye.